If
just
people don't love
editing
you for who
the
you
video
are,
I just made
they
about
will love you for what you are or what you've got.
being yourself
You need to decide
and
why they're loving you. Otherwise, it's time to
utilising
hit the road, James.
my
Don't come
analysis
back.
of Lewis
Or
Capaldi singing
just be their friend.
Someone You
They're loving
Loved,
you
wherever it's bloody
for
called.
what you've got. And that's what you want them to love you for. Go for
And
it.
if this
If
video
they're
gets
loving
taken
you
down,
for
whatever, it'll get taken
what
down
you
because I'm
are,
talking about honesty and love,
good. Don't try and be
not
anything
copyright.
different. Don't try and be something that you're not to get them to love you. Because the way they love you will change when you start to be yourself. Don't. But what you do is be you. Be you. Don't change being who you are to get someone else to love you. Just be you. Don't even look for someone to love you. They'll find you. They won't even be looking either. And that will be the right one.
Yep. Don't look for love. Look for friends. Don't even look for friends. Look for people you can talk to. I was going to say relate to, but it's like, I don't want to relate to them. I don't want a relationship. It's like the words, you know. I can say some words and some people might think those words are being used to say something else. No, the message I'm sending is don't love, don't hate, just like. Click like. Click the love hearts on the TikToks and social media and whatever. I use the terminology of social media a lot. I use social media a lot to communicate with the outside world. I've got post-traumatic stress disorder, severe anxiety and depression, agoraphobia, and lots of other reasons for not going outside and wanting to get amongst other people. I do sometimes, but with professional support. People come with me who aren't amateurs at socialising. They are professionals. They're good at it. They got lots of friends themselves, and I don't want to be friends with their friends. I want to have my own friends, or just the people that I see. I would like to say hello to them. They might be strangers. I am very random in my behaviour, which is quite childish and childlike sometimes, which is why I went to the zoo 2 days ago with one of my professional people that support me and bought this cuddly little monkey toy thing. I still haven't got a name for him. No, I don't know if he needs a name. Do monkeys have names for each other in the wild? Or like in the real wild? Real wild? I don't even think this monkey's a toy. I'm thinking of him in my little imagination, big imagination really, as a real monkey with a personality not unlike mine. Because I was at the zoo the other day walking around. No, I wasn't. I was riding a scooter because I got bad right leg and my back gets sore. Painful, but it's another 2 stories there put into one, and I felt lonely even though I was with the support worker who's also kind of like a friend at the Sydney Zoo. I kept making videos all day, and it's because I didn't feel comfortable. Plus I wanted to remember going to the zoo that day, because sometimes I forget stuff, and I know one day what could happen is I forget everything. Shit happens, I suppose. I'm glad shit doesn't happen out of this monkey's bum boat. I live in a small flat, there'd be monkey poop everywhere. I'd have to pay another support worker to come in and help me clean up the poop. But in the meantime, I'm going to try and have fun. I'm going to boil the kettle. It's 8 p.m, I think. 7:30 p.m. I've already been to the gym. I don't go for that long. I don't hang around there. Like, I do go there for 2 hours sometimes, but I go there with a goal. Yeah, my goal is to go home and have breakfast when I'm at the gym. It is, that's what I think about food. I can distract myself by thinking about food, but like, I got to try and eat healthy. It doesn't stop me buying a snack at the shop. But I've started doing this other thing that is a bit childish, a bit childlike. I should say childlike. I used to play with toys as a kid. Kind of like this one. But it didn't have a dart in it. Now it's more functional. Not dangerous. Just functional. And realistic. I'm going to try and hit that from like 10 centimeters away. I did it. I'm going to try and hit it from a meter away. Oh, flick! That hurt a little bit as that slid past my finger. I let go of it and it slid. I kind of shit myself because I'm on these tablets to thin my blood because I've got shit veins and I'm getting cramps and shit in every part of my body. No, in my legs and that. And it fucked my fingernail up. That bit didn't hurt. I shit myself because if I start bleeding, I have to go to the fucking hospital. Blood thinners. Good for one thing, shit for another. Anyway, meter away. Totally missed it. Probably talking too much. Yes, I'm fat. I've got boobies. If I put this video on TikTok and someone complains about me and they use the excuse of nudity, I'll get in trouble. Well, I mean, what if I'm a cross-dressing nudist who is pre-op? Work that out. It'll still get banned on TikTok. TikTok's like got not double standards, it's like kaleidoscope standards. Everything looks different. It's a reflection of something else, but as you twist the kaleidoscope, you get all fucking fucked up and worse. I'm going to use that word a few times today. Kaleidoscope. 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 I'm going to say it a lot more later on and just throw it fucking randomly in. I like how my boobies do that. I was trying to get rid of them, but I might keep them. Meter away. Full meter. I think that's about a meter. Gun's cocked. Ready to go. I got it. This will be 2 meters. Try and focus. Don't let go of the slide. Focus. 2 meters. What the fuck? That didn't work. That dart's a dud. I must have bent it. Yeah. 2 meters. I missed the target, but I hit the fridge. Lucky the fridge is a big fridge. Dart in, pull the slide. Don't let go of it until it's ready. 3 meters. Missed the target, hit the fridge. I can't go back any further unless I go outside. This is a small flat. Don't let go of the slide. Oh, that might be what. Whatever. Stuff. Shooting around the corner at the target. Like, I'm just putting my hand out like that and seeing if I can shoot it like bang bang, you know, like fucking cowboys and dickheads. Fuck that. It's a competition. So that's the doorway. Over there. I'm going to hold my hand out like that and have a peek and go bang, real quick. I'm not left-handed either, I'm right-handed. I hit this thing over here and dropped the gun on the ground. Doesn't matter, I've got another one. Fucking idiot.